What is the longest organ?
Longest organ? Body structure. Anong tawag?
Skin. What is the smallest bone in human body?
Sa samoy.
Steps.
Steps din?
Which blood type is considered a universal donor? Type A.
Type O.
Where is insulin produced in the body?
Sugar and sweetness.
Pancreas.
Tapos? Ay, what's this name?
What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum.
Cerebellum?
Cerebellum. Which muscle allows you to breathe involuntarily?
Which muscles?
Yeah. Napay ko ka ng ibig ka ng globe. Diaphragm, hamstrings, pipes.
Diaphragm.
What is the purpose of red blood cells? Carrying oxygen, fighting infection, digesting food.
Oxygen.
Okay, very good. Which gland regulates metabolism in the body? Thyroid, pituitary,
Pituitary na eh.
pituitary, adrenal.
Ito,
Which
thyroid.
gland regulates metabolism in the body? Thyroid,
Pituitary.
pituitary, adrenal.
Thyroid.
Okay, very good. What is the technical term for the voice box? Larynx,
Larynx.
larynx,
Larynx.
pharynx, trachea.
Okay, ah.
Huh?
Sa to, sa mga
What is the technical term for the voice box?
voice box.
Yes.
Larynx.
Which part of the eye gives it
Sa'yo naman.
its color pupil? Iris, pupil, iris, retina.
Retina.
Iris. What is the average body temperature in Celsius? 37, 58, 32.
Normal?
Yes.
37, 38, 32?
Yes.
37.
Very good. Which bone articulates with the humerus to form the elbow joint? Femur and fibula, radius and ulna, scapula and clavicle.
What's the mga
Which bone articulate with the humerus to form the elbow joint?
Radius and ulna.
What is the main functions of the kidneys? Filtering blood, producing hormones, storing urine,
Hormones.
filtering blood. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? Frontal lobe, occipital lobe,
Frontal.
hippocampus.
For brain? Unsa mo kana?
Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning?
Hypothalamus.
Very good. Smart lady ka, ma'am.
Ano ito?
What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? Femur, tibia, fibula.
Wait, sir. Femur. Tabia. Femur. Patibia.
What is the name of the longest?
Tabia.
Femur.
Ay, bakit?
What is the primary function of the respiratory system? Pumping blood,